Hello, everyone. So this is all the results of the synthesis. For each synthesis, you can delete it, you can duplicate it, you can compute the production on the interpolated points. So this function allows you to add more points and more wind turbines and compute the production with the mapping. So you can here add a new element, for example, here in the mapping, and you create this element, and you can compute the production with the results of the mapping. It will be interpolated, and you will get the production and the full load hour of the whole wind farm, and you can generate the layout for later optimization. And finally, you can study the losses and uncertainties. So if you have chosen to compute the wake effects, they will be included in the report. But so you can display these losses and uncertainties, and you can add the losses that you know, and they will be added to the graph on the right. So, for example, you can add 2 for grid, also some percentage, and they will be added in the graph. And same for the uncertainties. So you can add the uncertainties, and they will be displayed. The net energy distribution with the P50 and P99 are computed. And the standard deviation is as well computed with the uncertainty. So that's it for the synthesis results, and all you can do in the synthesis section. You can get all the information that you would need in the user manual, the microscale user manual, where there is a whole section about the synthesis and all the details that you would need. So thank you for your attention.